Hello, everybody. Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Pat Trading Partners, long by Chino. So, Nikola getting below their key levels we were watching, so broke down below 63. Then we were targeting the 50% retracement and the 50 period EMA. Then the next low down got to close below that. So then we were looking at 48. We hit that level this afternoon. So, key resistance on any rally now is back at 57. 57 on any rally is the key resistance, and above that would be 63. First cross rotation zone, so rotation zone in the 4 hour is in bearish mode. Let's jump out to that daily. So, daily, you see, before we get to that 42.96, so 43, I'm going to be watching about 45.50 area. We have the 50-day exponential moving average coming in there. And then if we get below that, I'll start watching for the 43 level. Below that, I'll start watching for the full gap fill, which takes us essentially down to 36, should it not rebound. It's now in neutral mode on the daily because we've closed below the rotation zone. We do not have the first cross, so it's not in bearish mode yet on the daily. But we tried to break out to the upside, came back to the rotation zone, and then collapsing down below the key levels. So now it favors short. This is really tough stock to short, though, because of the borrow cost, if you can even find it. So it's more, if you're only trading it from the long side, it's waiting for any bullish pullbacks and bullish patterns. There aren't any on the 4 hour right now, and the daily is in neutral mode. So it's more, if you're only trading it from the bullish side, it would be scalping it like on any rally to watch for a return to the rotation zone. Okay, but the rotation zone, keep in mind, is for the short side, so if it does rally in there, it favors still a rotation back down. So know where your stops are, know where your targets are. You can use the rotation zone as targets for any longs, or at least moving up your stops aggressively. So we have for you on Nikola, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.